EON is an antioxidant, and what that means is it slows down or prevents oxidation. So what's oxidation? It's like when you buy a nail and it's nice and shiny. After a period of time being out in the sun and the rain, it gets rusty. Well, we also get rusty, but we get rusty from the inside. Our cells start to break down, our lipids start to get thick, and things can't penetrate where they're supposed to go. So this kind of oxidation happens, and we look older and we get older, and our skin is less elastic. A lack of elasticity, the lack of youthful appearance, all of these signs of aging and wrinkling are signs of oxidation. So what causes oxidation is the same thing we need to breathe. It's oxygen. So we can't get away from oxygen. But what we can do is we can take some of the more reactive types of oxygen when they're in our body and get rid of them. And the body uses oxygen as a defense mechanism, uses it to get rid of viruses and bacteria, creates reactive oxygen. Reactive oxygen species are there for our protection. Unfortunately, they're also there to make us look older and for us to get older, senescence. So that's what happens when we age. After they've done their job and we've killed off our virus or we've gotten over our cold, we need to get rid of our reactive oxygen species as quickly as possible. Otherwise, they're going to start chopping up our DNA and making us look old and wrinkled. And that's what EON does for us. It takes the reactive oxygen species, brings them all together, tracks them like the North Pole and a South Pole on two different magnets, and sticks them together. And when you get enough of these together, any two reactive oxygen species, the free radicals will combine at the layered regions around the ball in the water that's dissolved in your cell or in your gut or in your blood, and it will turn them into non-toxic oxygen species, stuff that we can breathe, stuff that we can use for respiration. So we call that a free radical scavenger. And that's the definition of the type of antioxidant this is. It's not just vitamin C. Will vitamin C do this? Yeah, a little bit, but not as well as C60, obviously, and its derivatives. And certainly the EON is so much more powerful than some of these vitamins that are touted as antioxidants. Yes, they are antioxidants, but they're not anywhere near in the same class, and they can't do the same things to the degree that EON can do.